Found the triangle bit. It's not the best for this, but yeah, I think this will have to do. So you have to take out the two batteries, the refill. Oh, it's called just the refill. Okay. I take this out like this, no problem. It doesn't click or anything, just held in by gravity. And let's try to open it up and let's see what's inside. Simple wood screws, I mean plastic screws, but not those thin thread type. Big threads, okay. This is relatively easy if you have the bit. I don't know why they complicate things. They don't want you to see what's inside, or they don't want you to fix it. So this Glade multi, what it's called? True Scent technology. Yes, it's True Scent that it pushes down on the spray bottle. Wow. Oh, it comes out like this. Okay. And if we flip it, yeah, just the cheapest possible motor from China. This is like $1 with free shipping. And the timer there. And the switch. And the button that you press from the top if you want instant spray. And that's it. Considering that it's how much was it? $8. It was $8, but I got it for free for fidelity points. What do you call it? I don't know what you call it. The screws are out, but it doesn't want to come apart. But why? What is holding it in? Come on. Oh, it comes out. Let's see. Oh yeah, there are 2 clips here. Or 4. 3. Why are there 3? Here is one, another one, and another one there. And this corner, it doesn't have any. So, okay. Whoever designed it, they know what they're doing. So let's see. Here, it's even on the circuit board that the 9-minute, 18, and 36. So basically, multiply by 2. That's the way to go. And let's pop this out. Let's see what chip it has or something. So yeah, basically it's a very simple mechanism here. This one pushes down and that's it. And maybe it makes a full turn, I think. Makes a full turn. Oh yeah. I see it now. This one is optional, I mean removable. And these spin together with the motor. And yeah, this pushes down and the spray itself pushes it back up. This is really simple. I think it's much simpler than the other design. Okay, let's see. The chip. Ooh, I need to turn off the other light and try to zoom in on the chip. Let's see. Is there anything on it? I'm checking with my eyes. If there was, it scraped off. Oh boy. This is funny. That makes it look like a counterfeit chip. If it doesn't have anything on it. Maybe it's marker. Permanent marker. Let me try to clean it. Nope. That's funny. Okay, they don't want you to know what they used. It's a simple timer chip. Okay. Well, this is worth like $2. And another $2 the refill bottle. So, yeah. I can't believe they only made 50% on this when they sold it. So, yeah, let's put it together. And there's not much to see here, not much to repair. These are very standard parts here. If you have a failure, I assume it's because of corrosion. Some water gets in a humid environment, and maybe the switch gets gunked up, rusted or oxidized. So basically you just spray it with WD-40 or any contact spray. I have something here that's really cheap from Evo Tools. Spray curtateru kunchekchik elektronici. This means electronic contact cleaner. But it smells like petrol, gasoline, and probably alcohol. So you spray it in, no problem, and it should get cleaned up. You switch it up and down, and it's fixed. What else can fail here? Maybe the wires can come off. Then you have to solder it back. It's really easy. And with this, if this gets defective and you don't even use it, then just break it off. You break off this button, or you cut it off with this type of pliers. You just break it off, yeah. And the problem is solved if it's shorted or something. On the other side, there's nothing serviceable. I mean, realistically, if it's not the switch and not the button, then there's nothing you can do here. Maybe if you see corrosion, try to clean it off, but otherwise you have to replace the unit. And yeah, it seems well oiled, so this should last for years practically. It's a kind of hard plastic that's very good for wear. And yeah, these sort of mechanics are in inkjet printers, for example, and they go on for years and years and years. You can print thousands of pages with it. And yeah, the motors are also almost as simple and cheap. So yeah, contact spray, that's all you can do. If something is damaged, yeah. Everything else seems well soldered, and they shouldn't be a problem. Everything here is kind of great. And not repairable at all. I mean, if contact spray doesn't fix it, then nothing will. Maybe a hammer. I don't think they give warranty for something like this. That would be funny. Trying to return it because it's ruined. Yeah, so let's put it back in. It clicks in. 3 clicks. I don't understand why they didn't put one here. So just here, here, and here. Why? It could have clicked there, but they designed it not to. You see that little space there in the whitest plastic? There's none here, and there's no clip. So, yeah, this is by design. And yeah, This one, this little circle, that holds the motor's ass. That's funny. So yeah, you just slide it in, and yeah, put the screws back in, and it should be ready to go. So this bit should be in every kit that has at least 50 pieces. Mine has like 100, but I've seen this one in many kits. And also, some of these small bits also have the triangle. I believe this also had it, but I lost it somewhere, so yeah. There are more than half missing, so I probably had one, a triangle this small, not bigger ones, but smaller ones you can find on smaller screwdriver kits too, and bigger ones only with the bigger kits. Let me just show you. Mine is, let's zoom out. This one is from Heiner. It was like 10 bucks, and it has, ta-da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 by 6. That's at least 60, 84 bits, and there are some crap on the top too. Some connectors and whatever. So yeah, this is good to have. All the tricky safety screw heads. There's one more triangle here, and these things that have a funny middle. It's not Phillips, it has like an infinite sign. And yeah, the ones that have a spike in the middle that has to go into there, and then you can turn it. So yeah, I think I'll leave a link to this in the description, because this is very useful for any homeowner if you face basic problems that need a screwdriver. And yeah, maybe I'll leave a link for this too. This is probably available everywhere if you just search for the model. Yeah, I can recommend it. After I opened it and saw what's inside, it's kind of simple and robust as an inkjet printer. I would say it like that. As good as an inkjet printer. And those are quite good. Not foolproof, but quite good. Come on. I'm being silly here. Okay, so let's see if it still works. Let's put it back in. Let's put in the 2 batteries and spray myself in the face. 36 minutes and... Oh, it has a slight delay, but it did it. Okay. It works. So, check out the links below, and see you in the next video. Everybody write down how many views this video had when you watched it. It would be kind of funny to check it after a year and see who was right. What will be the maximum view count?